Happy 4th of July, guys. Check out this Rivian truck, the EV truck. It is here with adjustable suspension, LED lights. I mean, this one is sick. The R1T, get over 300 miles per charge. All kind of accessories come out of this thing. You can go camping, take the family. The front trunk is a frunk, so you can put all your stuff in there. Nice looking truck. This is really the future of trucks. This is the Rivian. So this one's here. Gorgeous color, by the way. It's got the green with the black. It should have a sunroof. It's got the leather seats, of course. The yellow brake calipers on there as well. This one is sick. Cool adjustable seats. Look at the headrest in this thing. The headrests are pretty cool too. But look at that, dual screens. This thing has not even been unwrapped. The screens still have plastic on it. I may get the keys and open it up pretty soon, but I'm in a rush because I got to get to my clients. But surround view camera system, all kind of goodies come out the sides right here. But this is the future. This is the EV truck. Has a little spoiler on there, LED lights so you can see the bed. Very, very interesting, very, very cool truck. Look at that, got all kind of things back there to for accessories. Looks like a little air pump right there. Look at that. Huh. It's like a little speaker system. Look at that. You can do the air pump stuff right there. Look at that. So you can pump some stuff up. Pretty dope, pretty dope. What's in this one? Look at that, 2 charging ports. Wow, they have thought about everything. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. That comes down with a press of a button. This is a sick truck. I'm not gonna front. Jeez, that little button right there, you press it, and then it goes down for you. I don't know if it goes back up, but it sure goes down. Very, very cool truck. That's pretty neat. It goes the whole way, no gap, like other trucks. Look at that. Very cool. Got multiple tie downs, got LED lights throughout the whole thing. The future of trucks is here. You gotta come see this one. This one, it will not last long. It's probably going to be shipped out to California or somewhere. Like, got little cameras around it. Look at this, full screen display. It's still under wraps. Look at that. You can be the first one to unwrap it. This one I think has 70 miles on it. So I think the original buyer bought it to resell it. So this is a nice truck. Happy 4th of July. As you know, from my Facebook page, we're giving away $200 Arrowhead Grill dinner card. So take your significant other to dinner on us. $200 goes a long way there. You can at least buy a drink there, a cocktail. So then we're giving massive amounts of money away in gift cards for gas. So everybody needs a gift card for gas, you know, because they going crazy unless you get one of these and just charge it and go for your 300 miles. So this is available. Come get this one ASAP. The Rivian truck. This is the one you try to order and they might get it to you within a year. We have it here. You don't have to wait. Share this video if you know somebody looking for a truck. If you help me sell the truck, you will get $200 cash. This is very nice. Look at that technology. All this is supposed to light up too. I think this comes up the trunk. I may grab the keys for it in a little bit, but this one is so sick. So this is the Rivian truck. The EV truck is here. Right next to the Hellcat, right next to the Porsche. How about that? So you got a fun car that runs on fuel, supercharged. You got a driver's car, the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Then you got a Rivian. Got something for everybody here. This bad boy is the one you saw the video on that has Dolby surround sound system, subwoofers, drive itself, park itself. It remembers where you drive, so it can actually reverse out your driveway up to 700 feet by itself. Sick. That one's giving Tesla a run for their money. The Plaid is still here charging for you today. The Plaid Model S is here. Everything, guys. So come check it out. We got all kind of vehicles here. BMW, Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, Toyota, Chevy trucks. The Grand Wagoneer is still available. The Bronco is still available. The 4E, Jeep Wrangler 4E still over there. The Rubicon. Got trucks still coming in. See that over there? So yeah, come see us. 602-456-9445. This is the Rivian.